Welcome to the Heart of a Business Quick Tip Series. In order to be successful, we have to believe more in our dream than we believe in our doubts and fears. Doubt is not our enemy. We can use it as an ally to help us realistically assess our dreams. The problem arises when doubt is used as an excuse for staying small and costs us our dreams. Make doubt your friend. Invite it to join your team and allow it to share its wisdom. Ask doubt for all of the reasons why something can't be done. Listen carefully and make a list of all the obstacles in the way of achieving your dreams. Look at each obstacle and decide if it's an internal obstacle or an external obstacle. If it is an internal obstacle, a limiting belief, take the steps necessary to clear it. Guess what? We have a video for that. Look for how to change a belief or tools to clear a belief. If it is an external obstacle, create a strategy to overcome it. Outline a series of goals that will get you over, under, or around whatever stands between you and your dream. Look for the SMART Goals video if you need help writing effective goals. Choose to believe in your dream more than your doubt, and then get moving. Take action to create the life you see for yourself. Thank you for watching this video. This is Kara Finger, and if you enjoyed what you saw, I invite you to subscribe to The Heart of a Business. I'll see you there.